Okay, welcome to the Zindua affiliate video guide. If you're watching this video, then you're already registered as an affiliate on the Zindua website, and I'm just going to show you how you generate affiliate links and how they work all through. So let's start off with the first stage. So when you go to zinduaschool.com, which is our base website, so just however way you can get to our website, whether it's through URL or by searching, the first thing is you need to make sure you're logged in, right? So when you come to the top right of the website, if you're on desktop, if you're on mobile, just open the menu, you'll see the login. You'll see two logins here. Student login takes you to the learning management system, but ambassador login, which you're also going to name affiliate login, is what will take you to the affiliate platform if you're already registered. What you realize here is we already have like a registration, so you don't have to register again if you're an affiliate. You just have to scroll down to login. So make sure you're going to the section that says log into your account. And in this sort of layer, I am going to log into my account as an affiliate. Okay. Once you log onto your account, you'll be redirected to the referral dashboard. So this is how the referral dashboard looks like. And the referral dashboard, you can see like it always tells you what your affiliate ID is, and it always has what we have your referral URL. So you can see this referral URL will always be pegged to our homepage. However, you can add this sort of referral code to any other page. All you have to do is copy paste a link from any other page. So let's take an example here where instead of doing this, I can go to the website and put in here the data science program page, right? I know this often, but if you don't, you just need to go ahead and copy paste that, right? So if I just go find a page that I want to redirect someone, if it's not the home page, whether this is an event page or a program page, for example, the science program here, if I paste that link here and then I create custom link, okay, so so this is not a valid link because of the three T's. Okay, and now I create the custom link, and all of a sudden it is going to generate a link for me, and you'll see the link somewhere here, right? So you'll see the custom link generated here, and what it literally just does is it adds the question mark and your referral code. So because my referral code is 9, it's going to be ref equal 9. So question mark ref equal 9. You don't have to do this manually, but if you want to do that manually, just know if you add ref equal your affiliate ID, it's the same as doing that tracker. But alternatively, just paste the page URL here and you'll be able to generate that. Of course, you can click here to copy link and you'll be good. So that's literally how we work with the affiliate dashboard to generate the links. The second thing is if you want to use any posters, we'll always have a detailed list of posters for you to use here with different messaging. So you'll see a poster based on the programs. You'll see a poster on just generally about Zindua School. You'll see a poster on some of our or some of our most important messaging, which is like our learn now, pay later financing or our personalized learning as well. So this is something we are always updating all across. So in simpler terms, you now are an affiliate. You know how to log in. You know how to generate URLs. Once you use your affiliate URL, every time someone visits the website with your affiliate URL, it's going to be tracked, and you can already track those numbers here on statistics. So anytime someone uses that, you'll be getting like a visit, right? And this is where you'll get it. So you'll be seeing, for example, people who've used, you can see direct traffic to these pages, right? So anytime it's going to track the visits here. And then referrals are people who end up filling forms because of your form. So you'll always see like we'll always have a referral sort of form over here. And whenever someone ends up becoming a student at Zindua, we'll be sending that sort of affiliate commission to you. So this is just generally how it works. But the most important thing for you is to make sure that when you're referring people, that you're using your affiliate referral link based on the page you want, and this is where we generate it, or you can just use this general one you see here for your base account. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you all refer and earn through the Zindua affiliate program.